have just opened one of the biggest simulation labs around the country, and this is the second after the first one, which was one of the most effective simulation labs in the country. Having a simulation lab will allow you all to have the most updated innovation in the field of science, which is not only medicine. It means you will be able to use everything from chemistry, everything from genetics, everything from research, putting all together to support your patients and to promote their own quality of life on one side and healthy situation on the other.